Firstly, thank you, audience. Telugu film industry lo naku accept చేసినందుకు. This is my second film and it's a huge success. After Heart Attack, I've got this other big opportunity. And thank you for accepting me in your industry, and hopefully I can give you more roles like Pallavi in Son of Satyamurthy. అల్లు అర్జున్తో పని చేసినప్పుడు నేను చాలా ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యాను ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ చూసి డాన్స్ చూసి అండ్ హీ సో హార్డ్ వర్కింగ్ సో ఐ లెర్న్డ్ అ లాట్ ఫ్రమ్ హిమ్ ఇన్ మై సెకండ్ ఫిల్మ్ ఐ గాట్ టు డాన్స్ విత్ బన్నీ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ ఇన్ the Welcome to the Party song, and that song's going really well also. So thank you for liking the music of the film. Film super hit chesinanduku chala thanks, and I hope I can give you more roles like this in the future as well. When Trivikram sir called me up for this role, I was very excited because it's very different from what I played in Heart Attack. Heart Attack lo na role chala serious and SOS lo comedy role undi. So I thought it was really nice that he thought of me for this character, and thanks to him for adding the actually before every dialogue. I think that's really clicked with the audience. Thank you for finding that funny. Thank you for enjoying the scenes as well, and I hope that I can do new roles like this, and I like a little comedy in characters. Trivikram sir ki chala manchi sarcastic sense of humor undi actually, and నాకు ఇది క్వాలిటీ బాగా నచ్చింది. So it's fun working with someone who has this dry sense of humor. You don't know sometimes whether you're supposed to laugh or not. You don't know if he's cracked a joke or not. So it was great being on his sets. I hope I can work with him again soon. Samantha is, I think she's oka pedda superstar Telugulo, Tamillo. It was really nice for me to work with her because I got to learn so much from her firsthand. I've only seen Samantha on screen. I think she's one of the most accomplished actresses. She's really intelligent. Baga dresses. She wears these. She's always well presented in her movies and public appearances. She's really beautiful. So I think working with someone like her is really nice because you get to see her firsthand and you get to see how she approaches her work firsthand. So. Like I said, thank you to the audience because especially Telugu film industry lo the audience make or break a heroine. So you all have decided to put your faith in me and decided to like my characters. So I hope I don't disappoint you, and in the future I can do more such roles. Thank you for giving me a chance. Thanks so much. Because of you my dreams get to come true. Actually nenu little superstitious, so till a project finishes 20 days I don't like to talk about it, but I have 4 Telugu films. I have probably something in Kannada really soon because after Rana Vikrama I've been getting a lot of offers, so I'm going to pick one of them. This year I'll be making my Tamil debut also, and there's another Hindi film. Son of Satyamurthy lo na character Pallavi చాలా బబ్లీ, షీఈ్ అ లిటిల్ కామికల్, చాలా కామెడీ ఉంది క్యారెక్టర్లో, అండ్ ఐ ఎంజాయ్ ప్లేయింగ్ characters with different comic shades. It was nice to do something like that. I think working with this production has been great. They've presented us really well in the film. They made the film look really good, and I never had any hassles or issues. So one of the nicest productions to have worked with. SOS lo we have different kinds of songs. There's Chal Chalo Chalo, which I love the picturization of the song. There's Subbalakshmi, there's Super Manchi, there's a whole variety of songs in the film, and you guys have made the film's music also a big success. So thank you, because I think a film's music is very important for the film to do well. If the film's music does well, you want to come to see the movie on big screen and see the visuals with your favorite songs. My favorite scene of mine in the film was probably the Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge scene, where I see Bunny at my wedding and I turn in high speed and I have haldi on my cheeks and I go running in high speed to him and I say, actually, Hindukucha. So I thought that was lots of fun. Trivikram sir actually acted it out for me and said, "Do it like this." That really worked. I copied his expression exactly how he said to say it, and yeah, that's one of my favorite scenes in the movie. I really enjoy the scenes between Bunny and Upendra sir, and the scenes with Bunny and Rajendra Prasad sir also. I think they were really powerful scenes in the film. Family audience ki film baga nachindi. They like the little girl. They like the family bonding scenes as well. Working with a senior actor like Rajendra Prasad sir is really nice. No, this entire movie we got to work with so many people. The cast was huge. There's so many women on set. There's so many other characters. Everyone has these different ways that they approach a scene, and so many people in one scene. So when you work like that, you get to see how this person acts, how this person acts live. So I got to learn a lot from all of them, just watching them, I think. Well, my final words are now, since Telugu film industry has become like my home, I would want to do a lot more films here. And well, it's been a lot of fun till now. Let's hope it continues. Let's hope the hits continue. Thank you.